Hello everyone, my name is Francheska Salazar and I am a STEM core student here at San Diego Mesa College. I first found out about STEM core the summer before my first semester here at Mesa, and the reason I found about it is because I was looking for ways to advance and get ahead so that I would be able to finish a community college in 2 years and be able to transfer to my preferred college of choice. So my career goal is to eventually become a doctor, and that is already long enough, so I needed to find ways that would put me ahead. So besides that, I also found out about the honors program, and that also helped me a lot. So why STEM core? STEM core was such a great way of meeting supportive professors and counselors. Thanks to my counselor, Patricia Rodriguez, I was able to enroll and organize all my schedule and meet the requirements that I need to transfer to my preferred major of choice, which is molecular and cell biology. The professor which I had, Juan Bernal, I had him for trigonometry and precalculus in one semester, because that is the great thing about STEM core, that you can finish your math prerequisites in just one semester. And that way you're not stuck taking a whole semester of something that you probably already took in high school. So that way you can just finish fast and quick. And then I took him again for calculus, and he was just so supportive, always helped us, me and my other peers, with homework and school and the tests, and he also gave us advice and tips on how to succeed outside the classroom, which was just a great thing. Also, STEM core classes are unique because they give you priority. So by that, I mean that from the beginning, you'll get an ad code and you will enroll with that specific professor from that particular track that you choose. There's track 1 and track 2. I was in track 2, which is the one that I talked about with Juan Bernal. So you will be with him for the whole year, or with whoever, the professor ends up being for your track, which is a great way because you also get to be with the same peers and you get to form relationships and strong bonds that will actually help you succeed in your first year at Mesa. And you will not be as distracted and you will not be as anxious, for example, of meeting new people. I mean, you can still meet new people from your other classes, but what I mean is that you'll get those study habits on track. The classes are also at very reliable times so that they can actually fit into your schedule, and it's not like a crazy 10 p.m. class. So that just works out great. And the other thing about STEM core is that it exposed me to open my opportunities and extracurriculars. For example, one of the things that STEM core requires us to do is to find an internship. And we have resume workshops and other workshops that are beneficial to building a career portfolio. So thanks to that, I was actually able to score a lab internship that is in conjunction between here at San Diego Mesa College and UCSC, where I research. Right now, my current research that I have is I'm running kinetic experiments on the derivatives of vitamin C and how their inhibition effects worked on glycolysis to find preventative treatments for cancer. So that is just really great, and it goes with my goals. It puts me on track to transfer where I want to transfer to. In addition to that, I have also looked for other opportunities to get involved on campus. For example, student government. I am part of the student government here at Mesa College. I am a senator, and during the last year, I was in President's Cabinet. I am also the president for the Phi Theta Kappa, which is the honor society here at Mesa, which I encourage you all to join because it offers scholarship opportunities, and it just looks great on your transcript when you transfer because you get a special seal. So those are some ways that you can get involved. I'm also here involved in the Women of Science Club in Mesa, which is a great way to meet girls and friends who are supportive and who add on to that supportive community. And in the end, it's having those communities like STEM core, like Women in Science, like Phi Theta Kappa, those people who are in your circle who have the same goals as you and who prioritize school maybe as much as you do, so that you're always surrounded by positive people who just want to help you obtain your best. And these are the things that are going to help you transfer and succeed. You also meet so many people who are focused and dedicated. As a Latina myself, I want to inspire other Latinas to pursue their goals. There should be more women involved in professional careers, whether you're an engineer, you want to be a doctor or a nurse. All of that counts, or even business. More women should be involved in these things. I feel like, especially Latinas, because we are minorities in this country. It is true, Hispanic women, and we just need to put our voices out there, because I met so many other people like me and so many other girls who have just passions, and I feel like even if someone tells you that you can't do it, you just have to prove them wrong, and you have to prepare, and you have to know that you are capable of doing this and you are capable of obtaining great things. You just have to put the work and effort, and that is the thing of surrounding yourself with strong communities. And my number one tip is to join a program that is going to provide that for you, which is why I do recommend STEM Core, why I encourage you to join STEM Core and other clubs and other societies. And just don't do school, do other things outside of school too. And do things, if you can, that will relate to your career. So if you're if you want to, pursue a PhD, get a research, or if you want to go to med school, also, look for research or for clinical experience that you can get. Volunteering is also a great thing, which, by the way, you can get volunteer hours by becoming a member of Phi Theta Kappa also, because we host events that help support our community. I would just encourage you to do all of this. And STEM Core, the workshops that STEM Core requires you to attend, will teach you how to get involved into all of these things and how to build a strong portfolio for all of these things. So that is my tip to you, and I believe in you. You just have to put the work and effort to succeed. Thank you.